So I've gathered my materials, my yarn and my hook. I'm going to be using a worsted yarn. You'll look right there, that is a 4 medium. That means it's worsted. And this is my hook. It's an eye hook, 5.5. Okay, before we can perform a chain, we need to have a slip knot. So I'll teach you how to do that very quickly here. You just take about 10 inches of yarn. You're going to wrap it around 2 of your fingers and bring it up. This one is connected to the yarn itself. This one is your tail. You're going to lift the one up that is connected to your yarn, and then you're going to grab the tail part. You're going to pull, slide your 2 fingers out, hang on to these 2 ends, and then just pull them like that. And you'll know if you got it right when you hold the knot and you pull the yarn end and it shrinks. You could also go the other way and just make it larger by pulling the loop. Let's do it one more time. Wrap it around your fingers. Pull up this one, slide the other one under the loop, and there you go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just grab my hook, insert, and then I just tighten it up. That's all I do. Now let's move on to the chain. What you're going to do is you're going to yarn over. This is yarning over when it goes over the top of your hook and it's coming towards you, kind of. And then you're going to turn your hook and you're going to pull that yarn through the loop of the slip knot. Now that was one chain. Now you're going to do it again. You're going to yarn over. And you want to make sure that you kind of hold this yarn in place. That'll create some nice tension. And then you're going to turn your hook and pull it through the loop. Let's do it again. Yarn over, turn your hook, pull through, do it again, yarn over, turn your hook, pull through. We can do a couple more. Yarn over, turn your hook, pull through, yarn over, turn your hook, pull through. Now you're going to continue this until you notice that your chain, the tension of your chain is even. You want to make sure that all of your stitches look the same. When you're ready to move on to single crochet, just look me up and I will have another video on how to do that.